So in this Discord tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create your own server here on the Discord application. So once you open up Discord, go to the bottom left and press on the home page. Once you're here, on the left hand side of your screen where that plus icon is, simply go ahead and press on that. Now, once you're here, you can either go ahead and create your own server. You can also start from a template as well. So if you wanted to start maybe like a study group or a gaming group, whatever it may be, there are some options. But for example, just go create my own. Then it'll say for a club or community, or for me and my friends. I'll just press for me and my friends for demonstration. You can go ahead and upload a photo, change the server name, and then create server and go through the entire process that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to create your own server on the Discord application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.